How to connect and configure your Raven sensor. Open the Odin IoT app on your smartphone and log in with your Odin manufacturing credentials. Look for the plus button and tap on it to add a new sensor. Read the instructions provided and swipe right until you reach the end, then tap on the Done button. Locate the drop-down menu and tap the arrow to see the options presented. Select Vibration Sensor and then tap Proceed to continue. Next, select the location where your asset is located. Then choose the specific asset you want to connect the sensor to from the next drop-down menu. Select or add the position where the sensor is positioned on the asset. To provide a visual reference of where the sensor is mounted, add an image of the asset now. Tap Upload and patiently wait for a few seconds until the upload is complete. After the upload is complete, tap Proceed to move forward with the configuration. For iOS users, follow these steps to connect to the sensor. Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the network named Raven_ with the password Raven1234. Once connected, return to the app and tap Continue. Input a device alias for identification purposes. Optionally, you can enable or disable Share Mobile GPS Location to provide location information for the device. Manually enter the name and password of the Wi-Fi network you want the sensor to connect to. Before proceeding, make sure you are still connected to the sensor in the Wi-Fi settings. If not, reconnect and return to the app. Finally, tap Continue to successfully configure your sensor. For Android users, follow these steps to connect to the sensor. A list of available devices should appear on the screen. If not, refresh the page. Connect to the network named Raven_ with the password Raven1234. Once connected, tap Continue. Input a device alias to identify your sensor. Optionally, you can choose to toggle Share Mobile GPS Location to provide location information. Search the list of networks for the one you want the sensor to connect to. Enter the password if required and tap Continue. If the list of networks does not appear, you have the option to manually enter the Wi-Fi network name and password. Tap Continue to successfully configure your sensor. That's it! You have now completed the necessary steps to connect and configure your sensor, whether you're using iOS or Android.